What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day, at least having a better day than me. 0 for 3 for today, so definitely not how I wanted to continue my best day of the month. But it is what it is. I'm happy with my cuts, small losses. I did equal out to about $100 in losses after commissions, but for 3 losses, $100 after commissions is not too bad. So ABML, nice PR this morning. Gapped up with some news, and spiked right away for the first few minutes. Pulled back, was holding, and I took a starter here at 239 to see if it would hold, and it didn't. And so I ended up getting a shitty fill at 235. I was risking 237, so that sucked. Still on that one, $30 loss after commissions, so not too bad there. I'm trying to have a $25 loss, kind of just in that range. I know it's not going to be a max loss. $50 is really to where it's like, whoa, okay, this was way too big of a loss. So around $25 to $50 max is kind of just where I'm at with where I'm comfortable with my losses. So $30, not bad. I'm happy with that cut. It just didn't work out. I'm really looking for that just to perk out of this little flag here, and hopefully start testing that 260 for a breakout. It's just not happening today. So shitty price action. Nothing you can really do about it. That's why you stick to your cuts for sure. BSSP was another one, and this was really just a FOMO trade. I completely missed the 18 breakout yesterday. It did its thing. Saw some people were trading it this morning, and I got interested. I ended up taking, where was it? I think it was right here. No, it was actually here. Yeah, which makes it even worse, to be honest, because it already had the crack, and then it did try to, it did make some higher lows, broke above VWAP, looked strong, and then it was just really failing to perk back above VWAP, and I was hoping we'd continue on some higher lows, and then hold, perk above VWAP, hold, and start to get a push back towards high of day is all I really wanted to sell into. I'm not looking for a big, high of day break, or even a third green day. I was just looking at that 4 cent level to hold. So I got in at 4.1, risking 4. I got out at like 3.9 for $30 in losses after commissions as well. So not terrible. Also just not ideal. Second green day, it already showed weakness midday, and then was just failing to break above VWAP. Just looks super weak, just not ideal at all. Easily could have just cut that out. And then GOFF. Missed the breakout this morning. Definitely upset with that. And then midday it was just grinding sideways. Terrible price action though. When it was up like 30-40% from the breakout level, so it was already up quite a decent amount, and I just like that it was holding VWAP, consolidating really nicely. It just reminded me of that, like kind of like the O2 swizzle, get the high of day break. It is day 1 of the breakout, so I was just thinking that it could do it, and I was getting in here 21.4, and got a little perk, tried to break above 22, couldn't do it. I was risking like 203, was risking VWAP, and I just decided, the price action was really shitty, and it was 40% up from the breakout already, so I had my stop in at 208, played a little safe to make sure my loss was not as big, and I got executed here at 208. And then a few minutes later, it did get some volume, and we perked above high of day, and I probably would have just sold into that high of day break around 20 in the high 23s. because I would have just called it. I would have been happy with that right there. I'm not going to get greedy. I just don't like the price action enough to want to swing it. So if it gave me the move, hell yeah, I'm taking it. Just like 5 minutes too early, I guess. But happy with that. I'm not, it is what it is. Terrible price action, not ideal. Should have just played breakout in the morning. So that was $35 in losses after everything. So not terrible. Could be a lot better, but not terrible. So yeah, it is what it is. 3 losses. Nothing you can do about it. Just got to learn from the mistakes and try to do better the next day. So obviously you can hear my voice, not too happy about it, especially after just having the best day of my month yesterday. Was definitely trying to push it a little bit, but happy with my small losses. You're going to have these days, so it is what it is. And we're going to come back and see if we can finish off the week strong tomorrow. So that's it. I'm keeping this one short, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.